Welcome to Knowledge Point. Knowledge Point is a digital platform for every student. Presentations prepared by experienced teachers. Animated presentation makes topic easy to understand. Concept-based learning model and mental maths to help practice calculation skill. So please subscribe our channel and stay tuned for all our upcoming videos. Today's learning objective is to understand what is a variation, type of variation, concept of constant and use of constant, and of course few practice example. Today we will focus more on direct variation. So what is a variation? The changing of variable parameter is called as a variation. To understand it further, let's see the type so you will get clear idea. There is the first type is a direct variation on which we are talking more today in this topic. So two quantities are said to vary directly if the increase or decrease in one quantity cause the increase or decrease in other quantity. Let's assume x and y are two quantity, and if x increases then y increases. That is a direct variation. Or x decreases then y also decreases. The another type of variation is the inverse variation. Two quantities are said to vary inversely if the increase or decrease in one quantity cause the reverse effect on others. That is, if quantity of one is increased, then quantity of other will decrease, and vice versa. To understand it more, let's see the same example. If x increases, then y decreases, and if x decreases, then y increases. So this is the inverse variation. Let's understand direct variation with some examples. You can see a chart on your screen where the number of pencil and cost is specified or mentioned in a rows. You can see the one pencil, the cost is 10 rupees, and you can also see a 15 pencil, the cost is 150 rupees. So x and y are two parameters here, and change in a value of x causes change in a value of y. This change is in a certain proportion. As the value of x increases, then the value of y also increases. That is a direct variation. So mathematical symbol to represent this direct variation is alpha. Here we can write x alpha y, or x proportional to y. Mathematical equation for x directly proportional to y is x is equal to ky. So this is mathematical calculation. X is equal to ky, and k is called constant. Let's see what does it mean. X is equal to ky, that means k is equal to x upon y. We know it, and this is an equation from a direct variation where the k is a constant. Now let's try to see or solve this example. We know x is equal to 1, and we also know y is equal to 10. So k, which is a constant, is equal to x upon y. So k is 1 by 10. So what the value we have got? 1 by 10 for the constant. Now with the help of this value, we can find out the cost of other number of pencils like 4, 8, 20, 50 and 75. So let's see how we can find out the cost. Let's take example of 4 pencil. So we know x is equal to 4, but we are not aware what is the value y, which we need to find out. So we know the equation x is equal to ky. X is equal to 4, k we know that 1 by 10, which we just calculated, and y which we need to find out. So keeping a y there, if you take k at other side of the equation, then it becomes 4 into 10 is equal to y. So y value is a 40. So this is how we calculated the value of 4 pencil by using the constant, because it's a proportionally increasing or decreasing. So value of 4 pencil is 40, 8 pencil is 80, 20 pencil is 200. If you wish, you can use the same equation and find out the value of 8 pencil and 20 pencil by yourself. Let's use the equation to understand it more clearly. Value of 50 pencil. X is a 50, y we are not sure, which we need to find out. We know the equation x is equal to ky, and value of x is equal to 50, value of k is equal to 1 by 10, and value of y we need to find out. So when we take to the other side of the equation, it becomes 50 into 10, and y is equal to 500. So this is how a direct variation works, and this is how the use of constant to find out the values. So you can try it, you can take a different values like a 30 pencil or 35 pencil, use the equation and check the values or value of y you are getting. Okay, to understand it more clearly, let's have one word problem. The cost of onion is directly proportional to its weight. If cost of onion is rupees 120 for 4 kg, find out the cost of onion bag of 10 kg. So after reading this problem, we got certain information, and most important information here is the cost of onion is directly proportional to the weight. So let's consider the cost is x, and in our problem x is equal to rupees 120, and let's take a weight as a y, and in our problem y is equal to 4 kg. It has a mention that the cost is directly proportional to the weight. So definitely we need a constant to find out the cost of 10 kg onion. So how to find out the constant? Let's see that. Step 1. Directly proportional, that means x is directly proportional to y. And we know the equation which we learned just now, x is equal to ky. So 120, we are just replacing the equation with a value available, and so 120 is equal to k into 4. We also know that k is equal to x upon y. So x is a 120 divided by 4, that is a 30. So value of k, which is a constant of variation, and value of k we got 30. So what's the equation now? X is equal to 30y. Now you have got a constant in your hand, and so you can find out the value of 10 kg onion. That is a step number 2. We want to find out the cost of 10 kg packs, and we know now that y is equal to 10, k is equal to 30. So x is equal to ky. Just fill the values in this equation, and the equation becomes x is equal to 10 into 30. So x is equal to 300. So the cost of 10 kg onion bag is 300. This is how direct variation can help you in your regular mathematics, regular life mathematics. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and stay tuned for all upcoming videos. So please subscribe our channel and press a bell icon so you will get all the notification of our new videos. Your subscription, your like and your comment will be a real encouragement to make such more videos for you all. Thank you again for watching this video.